ganon. So, do you have any intentions of contradicting that perception because you have your own candidate? Example lang to, na kalaban niya. You go out in the open against a fellow Mindanao.
Grabe, hindi na close ang babae ko.
Not because, ayoko lang talaga siyang manalo or because, I just want to go against a fellow Mindanao. And kasi hindi ako naniniwala
Tingnan niyo lang mukha yan.
na dapat siya yung maging presidente eh. Kasi
Di ba gwapa?
nagwawala siya online. Tapos, when you hear her talk, she doesn't make sense.
Bago pa gwapa! Pinaksing ilay! She doesn't make sense si Sarah! Sabi mapatay man po, Lovely! Lovely! Grabe, stricta si Lovely! Gali, pinaksing ilay! Ha? She doesn't make sense! Sabi sa pinaksing iloy nga anak ni Babalo! Kag ni Redford White, grabe, stricta si Lovely! Lovely! Saan ka ba nag-graduate, Lovely? Ilan ba ang puno mga ano mo? Grado mo, Lovely! Pinaksing iloy cum laude! Pina-upgrade mo! Saan ka nag-aaral bilatsing iloy sa Harry Potter? Di ba? She doesn't make sense, sabi sa bilatsing iloy. Ang punggod mo, kahit lagyan mong bilatsing iloy sang sibo, di macho? Kahit maglagay ka pa sa pinta nga sapat ka, hindi magbago pagkikipitos mo! Ang bisiyosang bilatsing iloy, saan ka nag-graduate? UP Diliman, straight one, maxima cum laude, was assigned to do astrophysics in Bilating Iloy Pentagon and NASA. She was sent to Argentina and Brazil to be a diplomat and attaché for the government. Lovely Babalu Pitos is the representative of the Philippines to the United Nations. Ay, si grabe si Lovely. Lovely, stricta si Lovely. Ay, grabe. Kailangan, guys, ang mga anak niyo, guys, paaralin niyo talaga sa kataas-taasang paaralan ng Harvard University. Kasi underestimate ni Lovely. Si Lovely kasi bilat si Hiloy, doon sa nag-aral sa paraiso ni Adam and Eve. Alam ni Lovely where the snow is kept. She memorized the astrophysics of the galaxy. She knows the heavenly bodies in the Milky Way. She discovered penicillin. She was the one who invented Facebook. She created Google.com. She is one of those people during the Sicaw in Balintawak who signed the Constitution of the Philippines because as of Sara Duterte being the Vice President of the Philippines, Lovely the Babalo, and the Pungudun Lovely the Bilatsing Iloy, ang iho di ito, she is not contented, apparently, of the achievements and the accolades of our Vice President. So I must think that this woman graduated with flying colors, and not only local schools in the Philippines. Maybe she went to Montessori, or maybe she was in a Brent school. Is she a daughter of a Sheikah? Is she one of the lineage of Queen Elizabeth? Maybe, or maybe she was in Eton. Bilatsing iloy si Lovely ka stricta yun di pa. Ang kailangan sa atin, guys, i-memorize yung ang table of elements. Memorize the table of the elements and memorize the Milky Way, and you should memorize the calculations of how the cumulus cloud and the precipitation and condensation of the earth before we could actually get rainfall. You should memorize how the Amazon River could protect the world. You should even memorize what is the importance of the Strait of Hormuz. You should also memorize gestational diabetes, and also you should memorize about how amoxicillin was created, because Lovely is a very strict fetus. Strict si Lovely, guys. Oh my God. The nerve of the Babalo to question the educational attainment of a vice president, and not only vice president, a person who was a mayor, a woman who took up 2 degrees before becoming vice president of our country, and the nobody who does not even know how to really put up an argument and does not even know how to support her arguments na bakit ayaw mo si Sarah. So does it make sense? So does it make sense? In what way? Bakit? You didn't understand you did not understand the languages she was using? Was she speaking in Mandarin? Was she using French?
Ano ang masasabi mo sa bidyong ito? Kung meron kang suggestion o suhestyon, mag-comment lang sa baba. Maraming salamat po sa panunood.